So I've spoken about this mix before. This is just tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'm just gonna blend everything together. Once done, I'm going to pour it into the chicken and allow it to marinate just a little for a little bit. Don't forget to add salt and seasoning for taste. Perhaps you want to leave this just for a little bit more, but for me, after a couple of minutes, I'm gonna get this into my pan. All right, once that it's done in the pan, I'm gonna allow this cook a little bit. You could cover the pan and allow all the juice to come out. I'm gonna leave this all the way through and allow the chicken sauce to get dried up and allow the chicken fry. At this point, I'm going to add in some onions, add in butter also. To make sure your chicken does not get burnt, you want to check it every now and then and flip it. Now, chicken looks good. I added in some ketchup, and this is what our meal looks like at the end of the day.